Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Spanish food, eh? Paella, king, prawn and chicken and chorizo paella from Aldi. £5.39p I think it was, if I can remember. Now, I've been on ChatGPT to have a look at what people are saying about it really, because Aldi's have took it that way, all of their ingredients, anything offline. So it's come up with a few things. So I'm going to put them on the screen as we read them. And just give it a pause if you want to read it yourself or whatever. So we're going to go on to the overview first. It's an 800 gram, it says frozen ready meal, but it's not frozen, it's from the fridge section. Aldi specially selected range, typically priced around £5.29, I think it was £5.39. Sometimes up to £12 depending on the province. 12 quid? Currently seems out of stock in many branches, that's what it says. Now the taste. A comparison review and good housekeeping evaluated Aldi version and gave it a 69 out of 100. Commenting that rice was perfectly tender yet firm to the bite. It included pleasantly creamy tomato sauce with a spicy finish, loaded with hearty chunks of meat. However, chicken was a tad too dry. Chorizo and prawns were rubbery. You find that with prawns, don't you, if you overcook them? The pros and cons. Generous portion size, good value for around a £5. Rice well executed with nice texture. Nice creamy tomato base with gentle spice kick. The cons. Protein pieces can be dry and chewy. Sauce can be too creamy and lack bold seasoning. It's going to be bland then, ain't it? Quality inconsistencies depending on the batch and the time in the freezer. The comparison. This version sits mid-range among supermarket paellas. Good housekeeping rated Tesco's Finest, Sainsbury's Taste the Difference, Asda Extra Special, Co-op Irresistible, etc. Overall scores clustered between 66 and 74 out of 100. So Aldi 69 is competitive. Some premium options like Sainsbury's scores a bit higher, but higher price points as well. So pay for what you get, don't you guys? The verdict. If you're after a large, convenient, not frozen, paella with solid rice texture and a pleasant creamy spice, this is a strong budget-friendly choice. But if you prioritise moisty chicken, plump prawns or bolder seasoning, you might prefer something slightly more expensive, like the Sainsbury's or Waitrose £6 to £8 range. So I asked it, well, let's give it an extra bit of flavouring, because I don't know what it's like. And this is what it's come up with. Tips for enjoyment enhancement. Add stock or a knob of butter mid-heat way through for moisture and richness. Well, I've got some garlic butter and I've also got some paprika butter, so I might put a little bit of both in. Sprinkle some paprika, garlic powder or chilli after reheating to boost flavour. So I might put a bit more paprika on top. Serve with some lemon wedges and chopped parsley, not bothered about that. Conclusion. It's a reliable frozen paella, not frozen, with strong rice and decent flavour for the price. But if you're chasing restaurant style quality, it might need a little boost. So there we go. That's it, guys. It is. I'm going to have the whole lot, by the way. It's 451 calories for half the pack. So that's going to be 900 calories for me. Nat and the lads are having these. Pork. Tandoori pork shoulder steaks. That's what they're having, guys. But it's going to be about the paella. So let's open it up, guys. I've never made a paella on my channel. I know people have asked me, and I'm thinking I'm going to go and make one next week, because I've never actually made one on the channel myself. I've never actually made one, not on my channel, ever. Just on my own. So what we're going to do, I've got some garlic butter, which I find absolutely delicious. Just because we're going to give it more flavour. It does say it's a little bit bland, so put a knob of that on. And we've got some smoked paprika butter as well. I'm going to put a bit of that on, guys. I know it says halfway through, but it's not frozen, so I'm going to put it in now. And we're going to spread a little bit of paprika on top. We're going to put that in the old oven. You can do it in the microwave. But I find these sort of stuff better in the oven, innit? You know what I mean? Unless the rice goes too dry and crispy. Give that a mix up. That extra bit of paprika in there. Just to add that flavour, because it is my tea. Right, let's get it in the oven, guys. 25 to 30 minutes, it says. I'll keep an eye on it, because see if we can not get the prawns too rubbery. Okay, guys, let's have a look at these tandoori steaks. Nat's having them with some of them onion barges, onion ring barges. They're delicious, they are. Absolutely delicious. They're from Aldi. I've got the air fryer on, you can probably hear that. But we're going to have a look at these, guys. See what they look like. I can't remember the price there. I think it was £3.50 or something. I just seen them there and I thought, oh, yes. Let me get a fork. There they are. Oh, they look nice, don't they? How many did you get? 4? 1, 2, 3. Then you get 4 in there. So, I'm going to use my pan on them, guys. I'm going to fry them up. So I don't suppose they'll take long. What, 8 or 9 minutes, I suppose, what? Grill 20 minutes there, fryer, barbecue 5. Don't say nothing about on the hob. But they ain't going to take long because they ain't very big. I'm going to put some spray oil into my pan, guys, for these tandooris, because I think they'll probably stick. Let's get these delicious tandoori chops in. 1, 2, 3. I'm packing the pan. I'm packing the pan. Up to the side of it. 4. And we'll just cook them up, guys. I'll turn them over and all that stuff and do what you do. And I'm thinking, once the fat starts coming out, I might put a bit of smoked paprika butter in there and all. Let's turn them over, guys. Let's turn them over. Get that sear on them. Yeah, I thought they'd stick because of the old tandoori seasoning on there. As long as we keep moving them around. They're smelling delicious, actually, them are. They're smelling really nice. Let's get a bit of garlic butter, not garlic, paprika butter. Could use garlic as well, couldn't I? Get a bit of that in there, guys, and let's give it a baste. Give this a baste over on each one, just to get some flavour on there. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We're going to get these out, guys. These are done. Smelling delicious. And here's Nats. Let's get Nats there. Let's have some lettuce, some salad. And there's good old onion rings, which are delicious. Best onion rings we've tried anyway from the shop. And there you go, there's Nats. And I'm going to get mine out now. And there is the paella, guys. Let me show you. There it is. Smells nice. Prawns, of course, a bit. But let's get it on the plate. Yeah. Oh, it looks nice, this, actually. It doesn't half look nice. There's loads here, look. Good, because it's all I'll be having all day. There's loads of it, look, guys. Oh, no, too much. Didn't look that much. It don't look the best, but it's all in the taste, innit? I know, I'm sweating as well. It's warm, innit?
Buckets here.
And that's just saying to me, my top looks like a dress on me. Shall I say it? I don't know if you'll be able to see on the camera.
I don't think you can. Put it out.
I'll see if I can zoom in if you can't see.
Crazy.
I've only lost a stone, but that stone, I'm still a fat kid, right? But I'm a better fat kid, ain't I? I'm not as a fat kid. Okay.
Yeah, I've got my teeth in, haven't I?
Yeah.
I'm trying to...
Yeah, and that scum still hasn't healed, you know. She can't wear her teeth properly.
That's what I'm talking about, so I apologise. Can't eat properly.
She might have to go back. I think she's going to have it stitched up.
Don't know, will it?
No. It's been, what, nearly 2 months, and it's 6, 7 weeks now or
And
something.
it's still got a big gap in it.
Let me show you this, guys, anyway. There's Nats.
That looks nice, actually. Minus the peas. I've never had paella before.
I'm going to make one. I'm going to make one next week. I've never made one. I have had them. I've done all the frozen bag ones and all that, but I've never actually made one. So I'm going to do one next week.
I know we've had a risotto. The risotto you made was really nice.
Yeah. I don't think I've done that on camera either.
No, I don't think you did. And can I try a little? Can I be rude and try a little bit? With minus the peas.
I put my own butter in there. I put some garlic butter in and some paprika. And some paprika butter as well. It's one of those little kick galas, actually. I want to try these prawns, see if they're rubbery.
That's not too bad, you know. That's quite nice.
The prawns are rubbery. The chicken.
Your prawns went rubbery last time, didn't they? Well, you did the other day.
I've done something the other day.
Pie.
No, I can't remember.
Fish pie.
Fish pie, no, I didn't put them in fish pie. I done them on summit. I didn't do a video of it. And the prawns were rubbery then, weren't they? That doesn't look half bad. The chicken's okay. It's not rubbery. Now I've put that butter in, but the prawns are. But this is going to right fill me up. I'm still going to eat it all. The flavours are alright, you know. I'd have probably put a bit of more garlic butter in there, or
Bit of chicken stock.
Or a bit of chicken stock. Yeah, but then it's going to be too sloppy then. You want it all to congeal like this, don't you?
Yeah. I get risotto and paella mixed up.
That's all right. It's not overpowering. It needs something else.
It's missing something.
It needs more flavour. Even though I put that garlic butter in and that paprika butter, it needs more.
They're nice. They're really nice.
They're nice, are they?
Yeah, I really like them. I really like them.
Yeah, it does definitely need more. It is quite bland. Yeah, I reckon you make your own bit of chicken stock in there.
I think you need it to.
You need the chicken stock to
need
get the
something
flavour
to
in
get
there,
the
don't you?
flavour. That's what I
Yeah.
thought. That's why you need chicken stock
Bit
in
of
it.
chicken stock.
I can always boil it down, can't
Just
you?
a little bit.
You don't need to put loads in. You have to have a look how you do it anyway. Look, it'd be nice. To it
But
flowing.
that like that, with that bit of it's eatable. It just needs that bit more flavour. Apart from that, for a £5, what was it, £5.30 something. For a £5, for two here, if you seasoned it yourself, and maybe because it's not frozen, do it in your pan, so you can put a bit of chicken stock in when you do it in your pan as well, to boil it down, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You probably get your softer prawns then as well.
I'd eat them again, they're nice.
They're nice, yeah. They do some other flavours as well. Can't remember what it was. Was it Chinese? Might have been Chinese. So guys, there we go. Aldi Paella on its own. I probably wouldn't recommend it unless you seasoned it yourself. Which isn't a problem, is it really, when it's all pre-made for you. But they're only cheap to make anyway, a couple of what? Chicken thighs or something, some prawns, some fresh prawns, king prawns or something. You know, some rice, some peas, some chorizo. And I'm going to make one next week. Minus the peas though, because you won't eat it with the peas, will you?
No.
Nah, we'll leave the peas out. Anyway guys, there we go. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, we will see you later. And you'd definitely have them again.
I'd definitely have them again. See you later, bye.
Taking your teeth out, Bab. No, you're not on camera.
I'll pull them out in a minute. It's doing my head in.
Yeah, you might have to go back to the dentist for that. Oh, gone. I enjoyed that, you know, to be honest with you. That's there, and that said hers has got a bit of gristle in it, didn't you?
It's nice, but I can see what people are saying about Aldi's meat.
Aldi's meat. We've noticed it, haven't we? Yeah. That's got a bit of grit. So I ate all that. I forgot to mark it really at the end because without my seasoning in there, I think that'd be quite bland. I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10 as it come. With my seasoning, I'd probably give it a 6 because I could have added more. But I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. It's not something I have really much, well, at all really. So I'm looking forward to next week making one of them. See you later, guys.